everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm from Singapore, and today I'm making 3 types of Maharashtrian chutneys. So these chutneys can be used with the garam batata vadas, bhajiyas, sandwiches and even parathas. So let's begin. So now let's begin with the Kairi ka chutney. For the Kairi chutney you need 1 bowl of grated coconut, half a bowl of raw mango chopped and peeled, 3 green chilies, half an inch of a ginger and half a teaspoon of jeera. For that I have taken a bowl of freshly grated coconut, half a bowl of raw mango chopped, a half an inch piece of ginger, 3 green chilies. You can reduce them if you don't want it very spicy. I'm taking half a teaspoon of jeera, salt to taste, about a teaspoon of salt, and I'm also adding about a small spoon of sugar to this, just to balance the sourness of the mango. Now let's just pulse this once and then add a bit of water to get the consistency of the chutney. Adding a little more water, maybe just a tablespoon. Give this a taste. I can pulse it a little more. This looks okay to me now. I'm going to just empty this in the bowl. The Kairi chutney is ready. I just want to show you how thick it is because I have not added a lot of water. I've kept it this thick to this consistency. So make sure you don't add a lot of water and you don't need to make this very liquidy. It has to be spreadable. Now let's get to the lasun ka sukha chutney. For the lasun chutney you need 4 to 5 dried red chilies, half a bowl of dried grated coconut and 3 cloves of garlic. It's a dry chutney. There is absolutely no water in this. I have taken half a bowl of dried grated coconut. I have taken about 5 red dry chilies. Let me just remove the stems. And I have taken 3 cloves of garlic. And salt to taste, about half a teaspoon to begin with. Move the mixture around a few times because you have not added water to this. So what I've done is I've added a tablespoon of dry coconut to this mixture, and I'm going to pulse this a few more times. And this is how it looks because I want it coarsely ground. You can grind this completely to a powdered consistency as well, which will resemble a lot like the vada pav chutney, but I prefer the coarseness of this chutney. Now let's make the famous Marathi Thecha. For the Thecha you need 125 grams of red chilies, you need about 15 cloves of garlic, roughly the same amount of chilies, you need a juice of a whole lemon, and you need about 2 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder. I'm going to add all the chilies and the garlic that I mentioned into the mixer. I will squeeze a whole lemon into this. Make sure you've removed all the seeds of the lemon. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to add the peanut powder towards the end. Let me first grind the chilies, garlic and the salt and the lemon juice. I'm not added a single drop of water and it's very spicy. Just a little more until the garlic gets completely minced. Now I'm going to add the peanut powder to the ground mixture. I'm just going to stir it around. If you want, you can pulse this in the mixer. I have mixed the peanut powder into the thecha and I have given it a little taste. It's super spicy, and if you can't handle the spice of the thecha, you can add another full lemon juice into it so that it cuts through the spice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a big spoon of oil into a pan and I'm going to empty this whole thecha into this. Now this is completely to just cook out the chilies and the garlic. Be very careful when you're frying this because this is going to be very spicy. I have sauteed this for exactly 1 minute and I'm going to empty this into a bowl. Now do not overcook this because you just need to cook the chilies and the garlic a little bit, and you can see how spicy this is because I was coughing and sneezing all the while that I was cooking this. And just like that, we have finished 3 amazing yummy chutneys. Enjoy your favorite snacks this monsoon with all these chutneys and let me know how you like it.